Hello, this video will explain how to use Canvas for this course. So when you're on the Canvas login page, you want to use your school email and login that you use for the Chromebook or for Student View or anything that you might need to log on, Google Classroom, all of those things. So once you have logged on, the courses that you are enrolled in will show up on your dashboard. Now, my dashboard's going to look a little bit different than yours because I have a teacher account. So I have multiple classes up, but you should see your course on there. Before you get started, if you've never used Canvas before, one of the first things that you want to do is you want to make sure that you have linked your Google account to Canvas because that's how you will submit assignments. So in order to do that, you will click Account, and then your name should pop up. You're going to scroll down to Settings. Okay. Under Registered Services, if you have not connected your Google Drive account, you won't see anything. Okay. In order to connect it, you'll click over here where it says Other Services, click any service below to register. So you will click Google Drive. Authorize Google Drive access. Select your school Google account. And then you want to allow Canvas to access your Google account. Okay. And then it should pop up over here under Registered Services, Google Drive, and at the top, Google Drive account successfully added. Okay. So then you'll go back to your dashboard where you have your published courses. Okay. So I'm just going to go into an English course that I have just to give you an overview of what your class will look like, whether you're in English or another one of my classes. So click on that. Okay. Up at the top, you're going to see a module called SHS Student Resources. Okay, this is just some information for you in case you need any of the student resources we have available. So I'll just click on it. This is our Vikings at Home website that was created for you while we are in the remote or hybrid learning phase. For you to click on. There's lots of information on there for you, like the Viking Center, the virtual Viking Center, counselors, emails, administrative emails, just lots of information for you. Okay. The next one is the College and Career Center in case you need to meet with Mrs. Eager or you have some information, some questions about our College and Career Center. Her email is on there as well as a link to her website. And then any sort of back to school information, whether we are in remote or hybrid or however, lots of information about Sunny Slope and where we are in this special school year, this link will take you there. Okay. So that's that student resources module that will always be at the top. Then you're going to notice that you see module 1. Every week, a new module will pop up on Monday morning at 8 o'clock, and you'll be able to see all of the different pages and assignments that you are responsible for on any given week. Okay, a couple things that I want you to notice about Canvas. Okay, over here on the, let's go to student view. I'm going to switch over to student view. Over here, over on the left-hand side, what I want you to notice is that there are little symbols next to each of the pages. And those symbols tell you what kind of assignment or page you are looking at. So when you see just a basic little piece of paper with a corner folded down, all that means is it is a page. There's nothing that you need to do or turn in. It's simply information for you as a student. Okay, just information for you as a student. Okay, when you see the little paper clip, that means it's an attachment, some sort of file that I have added. Again, there's nothing that you need to actively do or submit on a page or an attachment, just information for you. So you'll see that I've attached the weekly agenda, which I will do at the top of every module every week. Okay. Then again, you'll see this little symbol, the piece of paper with the corner folded down. Again, a page, information for you as a student. Okay. Then down here, you'll see that you have a piece of paper with almost, it looks like a little pencil. That means it's an assignment, something that you need to turn in. Okay. So, yes, this might look like a lot of things that you have to do this week, but in reality, you're really looking for things that you have to turn in are the little pencil pages. Okay. Or what looks like a little rocket ship. And a rocket ship means that it's a quiz. Okay. A quiz. So, like I said, the rocket ship means a quiz. Okay. So, those are things that you need to be looking for. Things that have a little pencil or a little rocket ship. Everything else is just simply informational pages for you. Okay. I'm going to click on something else that I think is really important for you, and that's the calendar. Okay. So the calendar, it shows you what's due any given week. So assignments that have been loaded into Canvas and are things that you are responsible for. So you'll see that on this first week for Honors English 3-4, Canvas submission practice, a grammar pretest, and then several assignments by Friday. Okay, and then you'll see that Friday the 15th next week, another assignment is due. So this calendar is really helpful if you're trying to plan out your week, folks. You want to see what you need to do every day. The calendar function is really, really, really helpful to you. Okay. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Oh, leave student view. Okay. Back to my dashboard. Something else that when you are in Canvas, I want you to be aware of, and your screen's going to look, again, a little different than mine. You'll be able to see things like assignments, if you just want to click and look at all of the different assignments that are upcoming, something that I might have updated, discussions, if we, have any discussion posts, we don't have that yet, grades. This is where you'll be able to see the different scores that you have gotten on assignments. Okay. Something to be aware of is that Canvas is really great for me to be able to grade and give you feedback and for us to organize our class on. But I always need you to check Student View for your most current grade in this course. Student View is where you will see an accurate representation of your grade. Okay. This little grades button will just simply tell you, okay, how you did on each assignment. This is also really great, you guys, if you want to look at my feedback that I've given you, okay, because once you've turned an assignment in, you'll be able to, let's just see, for example, summer reading written responses. Once you've submitted that, you will be able to click on it. You'll see your submission, and then you'll be able to see my comments. It's really, really important, folks, especially with writing assignments, that you are going into grades. You're opening up assignments that have been graded and reading the feedback that I have given you over on the comments. Okay. And then you can absolutely comment back to me there. Like, hey, I saw that comment. Thank you so much. Or got it. Okay. I'm going to revise that writing. All that kind of stuff. So I highly, highly, highly recommend, so that you get better as a writer and as a student, that you use that feedback that I give you. Then you'll be able to, if you want to look at any of the pages that I've created, if you're just looking for a page and you want to go look at it, any of the files that I might have uploaded, quizzes, you'll see, once these become active, you'd be able to open them there. And then again, of course, the modules that give you access to everything, and then the home page. Okay. All right, well, I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you were able to learn how to use Canvas. We'll quickly, let's look at one more thing. Let's go to the Canvas submission practice before I let you go on this video. Okay, I'm going to switch over to Student View. Okay. So if you've never submitted an assignment on Canvas, you'll click here. The assignment we'll ask you to make a copy. You'll complete the assignment, whatever assignment that might be, okay? And then when it comes time to submit that assignment, and I'll need to leave student view, you guys, in order to access that. You'll then there should be a blue button that says submit, and you should be able to then submit your assignment via Google. Okay. Please let me know if you have any questions about using Canvas, but I hope that this video gives you a little bit of information about this online learning platform.